What's in your toes?
Fuzz.
Let's see.
Fuzz.
Is it fuzz?
Yeah, it's fuzz.
Can you get it? Get it out.
No more, dude. It's just one more.
There it is. There it is. Can you see it? See? It's no bug.
No.
Drew, look. It's just fuzz. It's from your socks.
No.
It's just from your socks.
No.
Yep, that's what it is.
No.
It's from your socks.
No.
Look at it. Touch it.
No.
Touch it. Let's see your hand.
No.
Okay, Drew, here I go. I'm going to throw it away.
No.
I'm going to throw it away.
Yes. There's one that way.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay. What's the matter? Where is it? Where is it? Can you point to it? I can't see it. I can't see it. Where is it? Is it here? Uh-oh. There's none there. It's all gone.
No, they're done. They're done.